What's going on, everyone? Hope you're having a great day. Welcome to the Tundra Dude 34 YouTube channel. If you've been here before, welcome back. If you're new to the channel, welcome aboard. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you know every time we put up a new video and or a live stream. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, TRD Pro as the backdrop again today. Did a little test video for you, and it has to do with the TRD dual exhaust. One of the main questions I get all the time are when new owners are trying to upgrade to a dual exhaust for their Tundra or performance single outlet exhaust for their Tundra. Which direction to go? The TRD dual exhaust is not cheap. It comes in just under $1,100, which is absolutely, it's a lot of money for an exhaust. There are a lot cheaper exhausts out there. Just real quick, if you're interested in the TRD dual exhaust, make sure you check out sparksparts.com. Use promo code TundraDude34 to save 5%. You could go down in the description and you will see the address for that. TundraDude34 promo code. It saves you 5% site-wide. So whatever you need for your Tundra, but they have the dual exhaust on there. I'm a big fan of the dual exhaust from TRD for a few different reasons. Number one, it's an exhaust that was engineered by Toyota and TRD to fit the Tundra. It's not an exhaust that is meant for many different applications. It's meant for the Tundra, it's built for the Tundra, and that is a big deal sometimes. Number two, the sound is amazing. It is nothing annoying. When you put your foot on the pedal, you hear it for sure. When you don't have your foot on the pedal and you're just driving normally, it's not even there. But one question I get all the time, is there any drone when it comes to the TRD dual exhaust? And for the most part, not much at all. The only two times I've ever experienced any kind of drone is when towing or, you know, under like a serious load like that. You'll hear a little drone depending on, you know, if you get up into the hills or anything like that. And number two is when I drive up here to the Pocono Mountains and I'm going, you know, through the hills and everything at low speed and medium high speed around 50 miles per hour. So what I did today, something very basic for you. I basically just took a ride in my TRD Pro Tundra to give you an idea of what kind of sound you'll get from the exhaust when it's going up the hills, you know, in slow speeds and with a little bit higher of a speed. You know, when the transmission drops down to gear to get you up the hill, how loud is it? Is it annoying? Nothing scientific here, just an overall, you know, quick little video for you guys to kind of get an idea of what it sounds like. I will tell you this, I don't know how good the camera will pick up all of this stuff. You could still have a conversation, it's no big deal. But if you're someone who lives in the mountains or you're gonna do a lot of towing, this may be something that you wanna see. Of all the exhausts I've ever used though, the TRD dual exhaust has the least amount of drone of all of them. So check out a couple little clips here and let me know what you think. All right, so there you go. Nothing too crazy with the TRD dual exhaust. It is not annoying. I want to stress that to you. It is not annoying. Maybe if I was doing it every day, it would get annoying. But overall, I like the sound of the exhaust. I've had a lot louder. I've had a lot more obnoxious, we shall say. And for my age, I like this, and I like what this thing gives out right here. $1,100, well worth it. I've had quite a few of them, and I always keep going back to the TRD dual exhaust because it is one of my favorites. That's what I have for you today. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Until next time, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, TundraDude34, TundraDude34@gmail.com. You guys have a great day, be safe, and be well.